R.D. Sharma, Class 10 MCQ, Chapter 1, Real Number NCERT. Okay, let us start. Number 41. If n is a natural number, then n to the power 2n minus 4 to the power 2n is always divisible by n equal 1. Then 9 square minus 4 square, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, 13 into 5, 13 into 5. So always divisible by 5 and 13. Answer 5 and 13. Answer C, the right answer. Next, 42. 42. If any natural number, then 6 to the power n, 5 to the power n always ends. 6 to the power n, 5 to the power n always ends. 6 n, suppose n equal to, then 6 square minus 5 square, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, 11 into 1. So last number is 1. Always ends with 1. Always ends with 1. Always ends with 1. Answer A, the right answer. 6 to the power n minus 5 to the n always ends with 1. Always ends with 1. Next, 43. The remainder when the square of any prime number greater than 3. The remainder when the square of any prime number greater than 3. Suppose 5, prime number 5. 5 square equal 25. 25. Clear? Then 43 greater than 3. The remainder when the square of any prime number greater than 3 divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. 6 4 ja 24. 1, remainder 1. 43 answer. 43 answer, the remainder is 1. Remainder 1. Any prime number greater than 3. Remainder when the square of any prime number greater than 3 divided by 6 is 1. Other number 7. 7 square 49. 49 divided by 6. 6 8 ja 48. Remainder 1. Remainder 1. Answer A. Next, 44. The sum of integer m, every even integer from 2m. M integer, even form 2m. Let 5 is integer. 2 into 5 equal 10. Answer is 2C. For some integer m, every even integer of the form of 2m. Next, 45. For some integer q, the odd integer is of the form odd integer. Odd integer equal 2q plus 1. Suppose q equal 7. 7 into 2 plus 1 equal 14 plus 1 equal 15. Odd number. Q is equal to 6. 2q plus 1. 2 into 6 plus 1 equal 13. A odd number. So, for the some integer q, odd integer of the form of 2q plus 1. Q is an integer, odd integer form equal 2q plus 1. Answer D, the right answer. D, the right answer. Next, 46. For any positive integer a and 3, there exists only q integers q and r such that a equal 3q plus r, where r must satisfy r. Reminder, r 0 greater equal below 3. Clear? Euclid's lemma, division lemma, r 0 greater equal r below quotient. Next, 47. A equal bq plus r. A equal bq plus r. A equal bq plus r. R 0 particular below b. Euclid's division lemma. R greater equal 0 below b. B is quotient. (48) The product of non-zero rational number and irrational number. 5 is a non-zero rational number and irrational number, and rational root 3 equal 5 root 3. Rational into irrational is equal to irrational. Always irrational. Rational into irrational equal irrational. Always irrational. Answer A, the right answer. Next, 49. For any natural number 25 to the 2n, 25 to the power 2n minus 9 2n, always divisible by n equal 1, n equal then 25 square minus 9 square, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. 25 plus 9 34, 25 minus 9 into 25 minus 9 equal 16. Always divisible by 16 and 34. 16 and 34. Answer C, the right answer. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. 25 plus 9 34, 25 minus 16. n every number, every natural number. This result multiply by 34 and 16. Next, 50. HCF two positive integer always. HCF of two positive integer always. HCF is always a factor of their LCM. HCF is always a factor of their LCM. Be the right option. Next, 51. If the decimal expansion of the rational number 327 by 2q into 5. Terminate after the decimal place. Terminate after 3 decimal place. 3 decimal place. 3 decimal place. 3 decimal place. Because 2q 501 3 is greater than 1. So answer is terminate after the 3 decimal place. 51 k is equal to 3. Option C the right answer. Terminate after k decimal places. K equal 3. Next 52. If a into 5 to the power n ends with digit 0, every natural number n is the any natural number ends with 0, then a equal dash, a equal even number, a even number, a n any natural number, a equal even number, then with digit 0 every natural n then a is a even number. 2 into 5 n equal 2 2 5 10 square 100 0. A equal 6 into 5 q 6 5 के 30 1 2 3 and 0. So digit 0 of every natural number n is a even number. n is a even number. A equal a is an even number. n natural number, a even number. The end 0. Ends with 0. n any natural number, a is a even number. A is a even number. n is a natural number. Ends 0. Next 53. All decimal numbers are real number. 54. The bells rings at intervals 4, 7, 14 minutes. 4, 7, 14 minutes. All three rang at 6 am. When will they rang together again? LCM of 4, 7, 14. 2, 7, 2, 1, 1. LCM 4, 7, 14 is 2 into 7, 2 equal 28 minutes. 6 am plus 28 minutes is equal to 6:28 am. When will they rang together again? 6:28 am. 6:28 am. Answer C, the right answer. Next 55. How many prime numbers are the form of 10n plus 1 n is a natural number. n is a natural number. 10 into 1, 11. n is 3. 10 into 3, 30 plus 1, 31. n is 4. 10 into 4, 40 plus 1, 41. n is 7. 10 into 7, 71. 71. 11, 21, 13, 41. n is 6, 61. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where in a natural number such that n 1 greater or equal 10. 10n plus 1. 10n plus 1. n is a natural number. n greater or equal 1 below 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that 5. How many prime numbers? 5 prime numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 prime numbers. Prime numbers which form 10n plus 1. 10n plus 1. 10 into 1 plus 1. 10 into 3 plus 1. 10 into 4 plus 1. 10 into 7 plus 1. 10 into 6 plus 1. 10n plus 1. 10n plus 1. 10n plus 1. 5 prime number. Answer A. Next, number 56. Sorry. 56. 119 square minus 11 square is a dash. A square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Clear? 119 plus 11, 120. 119 minus 11, 9 minus 1, 8, 108. Clear? 9, 110, 112, 109 plus 130. 130. So, last digit 0. Last digit 0. So, it is a composite number. This function will composite number. 109 square minus 11 square is a composite number. (56) B. Next 57. Pi is a irrational number. Pi is a dash, an irrational number. Irrational number. 58. Root pi root 3 plus 2, an irrational number because root 5 I plus r. Irrational number plus rational number equal irrational number. 59. The smallest irrational number by which root 18 multiply so as a get a rational number. 9 into 2 equal 3 into root 2 into root 2. Clear? Root 2 root 2 2 2 3 जा 6. Answer is root 2. The smallest irrational number which root 18 should be multiplied. Root 2 should be multiplied. So get a rational number. Answer is root 2. Option C. The decimal expansion of pi. Pi is a irrational number. Irrational number is non-repeating and non-terminating. Non-terminating and non-repeating. Answer B. Pi is a irrational number. Irrational number is non-terminating and non-repeating. Next 61. Pi is a irrational number. Irrational number is non-terminating, non-repeating. Then 61. 441 divided by 2 square 5 cube into 7 has dash. Okay. 7 divided 441 divided by 7. 7 6 जा 42 2 1 3 63 by 2 square into 5 cube. 2 denominator 2 and 5. So it is a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Because the denominator is 2 and 5. Next 62. The decimal expansion 17 by 8. 17 by 8 will terminate after 3 place. After 3 to the power 3 plus will terminate after how many places? 3 places. Terminate after 3 places because to the power is 3. 5 to the power 0. 3 greater, so terminate after 3 place. 63. 63 by 72 175 equal 63 by 72 9 into 8 175 7 into 25 763 9 cancel, so 1 by 8 into 25 it is terminating because 1 by 8 equal to q 25 equal 5 square, so it is terminating. It is terminating. Answer is the right answer. Next class case study based. Okay, thanks.